Right, today we are reviewing these little headphones here. These are wireless headphones and they are sold by a company called Soulsens, and it's the SL10 wireless headphones, and they cost around about £20 to buy on Amazon. And as always, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check them out. I didn't actually buy these were actually sent to me, so thank you very much for that. So we're going to have a quick look around the box and then we're going to do the unboxing. So we have the foldable design, not uncommon nowadays. Soft and comfortable earpads, hopefully anyway, because I do like them to be comfortable. So it says 120 to 140 hours, that's what it says on there. But actually on Amazon, it does say 140 hours. So that's probably more accurate. Wireless and wired, I just thought that was wireless. We will look into that. HiFi audio, so hopefully the sound quality is excellent. Hands-free calling, yes, as a built-in microphone apparently, so that might be interesting. Closed back ear cushion, yes, and some specifications on the back, which I'm not going to read out to you, but if you pause it now, you can read it yourself. Right, done? Okay, let's move on. So let's get her open. They feel quite light. The actual packaging feels light anyway, so I reckon they're very light. I'll get them open. Winner free coupon and free trial, 2-year extended warranty, so they probably want some sort of thank you note, 30-day free thing, blah blah blah. Not going to go into that. The instructions, I'm guessing, hopefully it'll be quite easy to set up. So I will have a proper look at that later. This will be a charging lead. Oh, and there is a cable. Oh, it looks like a cable. So cable for plugging it in. So yeah, it's not just wireless, it's both, which is, you know, not bad. Let's get this out. Let's have a quick measure up. Oh, that might be a metre long. I will have a proper measure up in a second. Yeah, it could be a whole metre. I would say 600mm, something like that. Not so long, but again, I will measure up for you. So give me a second, I'll go and measure up right now. Right, so I've had a measure up. USB is about 500mm, so not bad. I said 6, didn't I? So 500. And this is approximately a metre. I said about that, didn't I? Oh, pretty good, yeah. So these are jack plugs, so you can plug it into, you know, whatever sound system you want to plug it into and listen to it. So yeah, pretty good. Well, hopefully anyway. Let's have a look at the actual units themselves. So they look quite nice actually. Nice and shiny. Hope they're not too sweaty because it is summer at the moment. So that'd be for your jack plugs. So I'm guessing that's, what's that, 2.5mm, something like that. Jack plug connection, yeah. I guess. We have 3 buttons on the side, so it says plus, minus, and I'm guessing that's, oh, pause and play, or play and pause, depends how you look at it. First impressions, yeah, quite nice. I'm not sure where the microphone is. Unplug that. So USB there for charging it up. Yes, they look quite nice, don't they? Left and right. Oh, there's a left and right, which is handy, especially if it's stereo. Worst thing you want to do is put them on around the wrong way. Does that pull out? Oh, it does. That's good, good. Right, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to charge her up. I'm going to have a read the instructions and I'm going to get back to you. Right, she's all set up and all ready to go, and according to the instructions it's really easy to connect using Bluetooth. So apparently all you got to do is hold this down for 2 seconds. There it go. It says 2 seconds. 5 seconds to turn it off. 2 seconds to turn it on. Can't see no light. Perhaps I didn't hold it down long enough. Try it again. Oh, I heard it. Power on. Did you hear that? Wasn't expecting a voice command actually. So, I'm going to get my Bluetooth up. Bluetooth. and pair new device. There it is, SL10. That's the baby there. Pairing. And connected. Did you hear it? I don't know if you heard it. I heard it. So it is definitely connected. So what we're going to do now is we're going to play some music and see if we can hear good quality sound. And I will have a chat with someone on my phone as well, just so I can hear how it works. So the way I understand it, if you're playing music, that is play and pause, and the volume is up and down. That is how it shows on there, and that's what it says in the instructions. So with that, give me a couple of seconds while I sort it all out. Oh, sorry, I was listening to some music. Couple of things to go through before I tell you what I think about it. First off, I would have liked a bit more padding up there. I can feel it, you know what I mean? Yeah, I can feel it. It just needs a little bit more padding, in my opinion. That's my personal opinion. The cups are quite small. I was expecting them to be a bit bigger than that, but they do fit quite comfortably. And they don't feel as though they're going to fall off. I just thought I'd do a little test, see, you know, if they're going to fall off. They are extremely light. So I'll play the next song. Right, let's try the pause button. Yeah, that works. Play. Up and down volume. I'm going to go down. That works. Up volume. Oh, sorry, got carried away. Nice bit of bass, by the way. I do like the bass on these, they're very nice. Quality of sound, in my opinion, is very good. Considering the size of these and how much they cost, it is really nice and pleasant. Yeah, especially for music. I'm listening to music at the moment. If you like a bit of bass, these might be the babies for you. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to have a listen to a conversation, someone talking to me on the phone. So I need to speak to my wife and get her to phone me up, just so we can have a little chit chat. So I will be back after I listen to the rest of this music. Right, let's see if we can get my wife to phone me so I can see how easy it is to answer the phone and to see what the quality of sound is on voice. So I've got a bit of music playing at the moment. Oh, music stopped. Hello? Oh, nice, nice. Can you hear me? Oh, hang on, I've got to turn the volume down a bit. You're a bit loud. Right. What are we having for dinner tomorrow? Oh, I've got to sort my own dinner out tomorrow. Oh my God. Oh, that's a good idea, might do. Right, thank you for that. Speak to you later. Bye. Right, that was very easy to do, nice and clear. All you have to do is the middle button, the one that says play and pause. Middle button, just press it once to answer the call. Oh, got another call. Hello? Hello? Oh my God. Bye. Just phoned the wrong number by mistake. Hope she ain't going to phone me no more. But yeah, very easy to use. All you got to do is press the middle button once to answer the call, and if you want to hang up, press the middle button again to hang up. So yeah, it was really easy to use, very good. I'm not sure about sweatiness, how sweaty this might get. I have been trying it for about an hour, and I did have a little tiny bit of sweat, but it is absolutely gorgeous outside, and I've turned the aircon off because I'm making this video and it would be too noisy. So yeah, quite impressive, it's quite good. Oh, music's still playing. Let me stop music. Stop music. I did moan about this being a bit, could do with a bit more padding. I did say that right at the beginning, but after a while wearing it, you do tend to forget all about that anyway. So it's just something you need to get used to, or perhaps maybe they will bring out a bit more padding. But yeah, very nice, easy to wear, very light. I was quite impressed how light these little things are. They're extremely light, easy to, you know, fold away as well. So yeah, does it get my thumbs up? Definitely gets my thumbs up. I think, you know, for the amount of money they cost, they're not expensive, and the quality is very good. Audio on chat, conversation, you could hear it nice and clear, although it is a little bit on the bassy side, but it is still nice and clear, and you could hear everything that's going on. And you don't need the phone near you neither. It can be somewhere else. Obviously, if it's too far away, you will lose the signal. But I've had it on earlier, and I was over the other side of the room, and it was working perfectly. So, providing you're within range, it should work perfectly. How long it will last on a battery, I don't know. And it does say there is a little light, and there's a little blue light right in there, which I thought, where's this blue light? I couldn't see this blue light. It's right in there. It comes on every now and again, showing it's got a connection to my phone. So with that, like I said, definitely gets my thumbs up. For the amount of money, it looks nice as well. I think they look really nice. Quality of audio is very good. And yeah, I like them. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you like them or not. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, they're nice. Oh, wrong way round.